this pin punch tool there, and you smack it on top with a hammer lightly, and it pushes the pin down. It's easier if you smack it from the bottom up. See, put some WD-40 in that little pinhole before you start hammering it up. Here I'm using the same pin. It goes right through. No need to drill the hole bigger on this. I need my bolt hands to smack it all the way down. I know with a C-clamp is a little easier, but unfortunately I don't have a little C-clamp. See, there it is, nice and flush, not sticking out. See, let's go ahead and put the other one. So now that we put WD-40 on both ends, what you want to do is whatever side it's closer to that is sticking out, that's the way you want to take it out from. So in this case, I'll be smacking it from down here. I'm gonna push it right up. See, in this case, it was very easy. So what I did, we don't have a hard surface. What you want to do is lay it flat on the grass and just push it through, and it comes right out. So the easiest to put it back in on this, instead of smacking it, grab some pliers and just close it. I put WD-40. So see, it goes in. Then you close your pliers a little more. There it is. Now what you want to do, see how this little gasket is there? Make sure you don't lose this gasket right here. See? So, align it up. Put the screw back on. Maybe many of you are gonna say that I should have screwed this first, right? Because how you're gonna put the screwdriver and screw it when this is already attached to the pin. So I'm gonna show you a way. We just open it. You put the screw with your hand in that hole, align it, and just leave it there. You put your screwdriver from underneath this, and you're able to tie it up. See? It's a little angled, but it will do the work. There you go. Now, just lock it, push it, and it holds up. You open it, you lock it, and it's a little snug, like it doesn't, you kind of have to pull it and you feel a little force to open it up. It's not like where you push it and it goes right out. So perfect.